Yes, do you guys understand that?
Yes.
The part of a whole numerator denominator?
Okay, so we're going next to the next two words, which is numerator and denominator. As we said before, they're part of a fraction, right? So the numerator is basically the number above the line, which is in the top, and a common fraction showing how many of the parts indicated by the denominator are taken. So it's a part of like the whole, right? Remember? And the denominator is the number at the bottom. In a fraction, show how many equivalent parts an item is divided into. So for example, the numerator is always on the top, denominator on the bottom, okay? Keep that in mind because you're going to use it on your centers, okay?
Now we have equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are two or more fractions that represent the same value, which means that they don't have to look the same. So, for example, these two right here. So this fraction, the green fraction, this represents 2/4. And this red fraction is 1/2. Do you guys see right here in the picture that they equal the same thing?
Yes.
This is what an equivalent fraction is. So they don't look the same, but they represent the same quantity.
So in our little warm-up activity, we're going to be using these three words right here. You should already know them because you've used them for addition, subtraction, and stuff like that. So we have more than, which is going to be the alligator that is going to eat the greater number. We have less than, that's going to show the smaller number. And then we have equal to on the top. So right here, it represents that these two are the same as. Okay? Alright, so we're going to have Jacob come and do a little example. He's going to go ahead and pick a card over here on the table.
You guys ready? Okay. So I got 5/10 and 2/4. Okay, so
I'm going to go ahead and write it down. And he's going to go ahead and find a picture on the wall that represents 5/10 and 2/4.
okay, I'm gonna need some help, okay, kids? Okay, is this one 5/10?
No, sir.
How about this one?
No, sir.
How about this one?
Yes.
Yes. Go ahead. Right here.
So now he's going to find 2/4.
2/4.
Does anybody see
The
it?
green one.
This one? This one?
No.
This one?
Does anybody know his colors? Can you believe that?
This one's good. Okay. So looking at these numbers, is going to be more than?
What symbol are we going to put right here?
Equal.
Can someone explain to me, like, why is it equal to?
Yeah.
They both represent like 1/2. So as you said, remember these are two fractions, 5/10 and 2/4, and they're 1/2, right? So these two fractions could even go to a 1/2, which is representing the same fraction out of the whole, right? We get that? You want to try it one more time? Who's ready to come and do an example? Let me see. You want to pick one? Who's going to come up and do it?
Carla Martinez.
Carla here. Come on up.